How's it guys? Welcome to my business crash course, where I cover small business concepts under 2 minutes. So today we're covering social media marketing versus digital marketing. It's important to understand that social media marketing is a part of digital marketing. Digital marketing is a part of social media marketing, but they aren't the same words and the same concepts. So when you're in your next marketing meeting, make sure that you distinguish between the two. Social media only covers social media. Digital marketing on its own is a much wider concept. That is email marketing. You can keep going. Email marketing, TV marketing, all the social media marketing platforms. It keeps going on and on. Digital marketing is everything to do with marketing on a screen. Anything that's digital, that is digital marketing. So when you've got a digital marketing plan that contains all the different avenues of marketing when it comes to digital. Social media is one. There's a social media marketing plan which covers your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Snapchat, your TikTok, whatever your way of using social media marketing. That is what social media marketing is. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you found it helpful, subscribe and like my channel.